PALLAS is the new medical isotope reactor that will replace the high-flux reactor in patent. We would like to introduce you to some PALLAS colleagues who will tell you more about the milestones that have been achieved in recent years.
Ik ben Natasja van der Linden. Ik werk sinds 2010 voor PALLAS en ik woon al mijn hele leven in de kop van Noord-Holland. From 2013, I've seen the PALLAS organization grow to the great enthusiastic team it is now. We are supported by contractors like ICOS, NRG, Arcades and Tractabel in our daily work. My greatest accomplishment for now is the establishment of the license application documents, amongst others the PSAR and the safety report that is deducted from that. Also, I'm very proud of the good relation we have established with the ANVS and where the ANVS has been able to get to know all the PALLAS colleagues for each of the disciplines. My next milestone will be next year, where we can actually apply for the Nuclear Energy Act license.
My naam is Fred Fortier en ek is oorspronklik van Suid-Afrika. Back in 2016 when I joined, PALLAS was looking for a company to be the designer of the nuclear island of the PALLAS-reactor. And for that they had to prepare an invitation to tender. The role of the engineering team, of which I'm part, was to specify the user requirements. So during 2016-2017 we did that and we specified in two documents. One is the technical requirements, which specify the user requirements for the system, what the system should do. The other is the project requirements, which specify how the design work should be carried out. These two documents formed then part of the invitation to tender that was sent to the candidates.
Ik ben Koen Kodde, projectdirecteur van het Nuclear Health Center. So the Nuclear Health Center endeavor started at the end of 2017. And by finalizing the basic design, we obtained a building permit by the end of 2019. We were very happy with that because that allowed us to start prepping all the tenders and getting the clean room contractor on board, the main contractor on board, and have also very interesting discussions with hot cell suppliers. So once all the contractors are in, a building team approach will be set up so we can jointly dive into detailed design of the Nuclear Health Center. And after the detailed design, we start piling. So at the end of the construction phase, a massive qualification will be done to show that everything is built according to specifications. And that's of vital importance because in the end we're going to make products for patients. And they need to be very safely for these patients.
Hola, mi nombre es Cristian Vega. I'm a nuclear engineer. Within PALLAS, my main work is on deterministic safety analysis. And this is basically modeling the plant as a whole and analyzing different failures. For instance, what happens if an operator makes a mistake, or if a pipe breaks or a pump stops, or what's the behavior of a plant if there's a system malfunction. So what we do is basically we simulate the whole reactor through computational models and we analyze how these failures, how does the plant react to these failures. And now soon we will present to the Dutch authorities the outcome of this work for basic design phase, and we will prove by this that we can make use of this great technology by producing radioisotopes for health, treatment and diagnosis in a very safe manner and for all Europe.
Je suis Sidna Kaya, j'ai 37 ans et 3 enfants et je travaille chez PALLAS depuis 5 ans. The main milestones I keep in mind with working with PALLAS are the preparation of the conceptual safety document and the preparation of the preliminary safety analysis report. This last milestone is the result of a huge teamwork involving PALLAS, Honors Engineer, ICOS and also of course NRG, who supported us in the review of this document. It was a great experience to actually work on this first preliminary safety analysis report in the Netherlands. It's a document that gathers a lot of information related to safety, to the safety of the reactor, It not only addresses technical measures and the design that we have in place to make sure that the reactor is safe, but also the organizational measures that we put in place to ensure the safe operation of the PALLAS reactor in the future.